bro.
No, I'm disappointed in you.
What's wrong? I wanted to try it. But how can I make something?
Are you happy, Addison?
Yeah.
Look at this big brown man. Drinking bubble tea. Disgrace.
Yo, this shit's fire.
You like it?
And just record it on your own.
Super's looking mint on the beach, though.
Yes. Desert drought. California's taking over, bud.
Yes. We can pretend we're in California.
Addison's ready to go to the beach.
It's so cold.
What? Look at the aqua here.
We got some water here. Let's see if it's drinkable. Addison, give us a quick test.
Someone probably pissed in it. A dog probably shat in it.
So are you desecrating another burial?
It's dead. Look at the whole mouth.
Dead.
Throw it to a seagull.
No, it was like.
Yes, I don't think fish sleep like that. Throw it, Addison. Throw it. Set it free.
It's so slimy.
Addison, don't touch that stuff. It's whale semen.
I think she probably.
They're so far away from land.
Are you okay?
You remind me of like one of those like.
We've been walking for 70 hours.
No signs of life.
No signs of life. There is land ahead though. I don't know if any people are occupying it though. If we do get there, they have a hot dog stand. That's what I'm thinking first. This Tinder hookup called them. We're almost there.
Any thoughts?
Thoughts? No.
No.
I need some fresh water though. This wasn't good enough for me.
Addison, there you go.
Oh crap.
It's so tiny.
I eat it. Since we've been walking for like,
Got a pee-pee.
yeah, we've been walking for like 18 hours, so. Shane, Chinese food time?
I was gonna do something really racist. Fuck.